Owning a car doesn't have to drain your bank account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save money on car maintenance, repairs, and other essential car care tasks. Whether you're doing it yourself or shopping smart, I've got tips to help you cut costs and keep your car running smoothly. From DIY car repairs to finding the best deals on car parts, let's dive into some frugal tips for taking care of your vehicle without overspending. Tip 1. Learn basic car maintenance. Many simple car maintenance tasks can be done at home with just a little knowledge and the right tools, saving you a lot of money on mechanics. Start by learning how to change your car's oil, replace air filters, and check tire pressure. These are quick, easy tasks that you can do yourself. There are plenty of online tutorials to guide you step by step, and it only takes a small investment in tools to get started. Tip 2. DIY car cleaning. Car detailing can be expensive, but you can achieve great results by cleaning and maintaining your car yourself. Use affordable products like vinegar, baking soda, and microfiber cloths to clean your car's interior and exterior. A simple wash, waxing, and vacuuming can restore your car's appearance without paying for professional detailing services. Tip 3. Buy used or aftermarket parts. When it comes to car repairs, buying brand new parts can add up quickly. But there are ways to save on car parts. Consider purchasing used or aftermarket car parts. Websites like eBay Motors, AutoZone, or junkyards often have affordable parts that are still in great condition. Just make sure to check reviews and ensure that the part is compatible with your vehicle. Tip 4. Regularly check and change fluids. Your car's fluids, like oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and coolant, need to be regularly checked and changed to ensure smooth operation. You don't have to take your car to the shop for every fluid change. You can easily check the fluid levels yourself and top them up when needed. If it's time for an oil change, you can often do it at home for a fraction of the price. Tip 5. Use coupons and discounts on repairs. When you do need professional repairs or maintenance, always look for discounts or coupons to save on labor and parts. Check online coupon sites like Groupon, Retail Me Not, or directly with local auto repair shops for promotions. Some repair shops also offer loyalty programs that give you discounts on future visits, or you can ask for a discount if you're paying in cash. Tip 6. Extend the life of your tires. Tires are one of the most expensive aspects of car maintenance, but by taking care of them, you can avoid premature wear and save money. Regularly check tire pressure and rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. You can also shop for used tires or search for deals on tire sales to replace them at a lower cost. Tip 7. Be mindful of your driving habits. Your driving style affects the lifespan of your car. Aggressive driving and sudden braking can lead to premature wear on parts and tires. Drive smoothly, avoid excessive speeding, and don't brake suddenly unless necessary. This will not only improve your gas mileage, but also reduce the strain on your car's brakes and engine, saving you money on repairs in the long run. Tip 8. Avoid unnecessary dealership repairs. Dealerships often charge a premium for car repairs and maintenance services, but you can find more affordable alternatives. Instead of going to the dealership for routine maintenance, try finding a local independent mechanic with good reviews. Independent shops often offer similar services at a fraction of the cost. Tip 9. Monitor your car's warranty. If your car is still under warranty, you can save a lot by having issues fixed for free. Keep track of your car's warranty details and take advantage of it when possible. Many major repairs and services like engine repairs or transmission issues might be covered under your warranty, so make sure you don't pay for something that should be free. Tip 10. Look for free or low-cost services. Some auto service businesses offer free services or discounts for simple tasks, like checking your oil or inspecting your brakes. Take advantage of free vehicle inspections, tire rotations, or oil changes offered by large retailers like Jiffy Lube or Pep Boys. You can also get free or discounted services during promotional events or loyalty program bonuses. I hope these frugal car care tips help you save money while keeping your car running smoothly. What are some of your favorite car maintenance hacks? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more frugal living tips. Stay tuned for more ways to save big while living your best life.